Hey there, YouTube modeling community. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry to my subscribers for being so hit and miss on videos lately. Still dealing with some health issues. I had a hernia surgery 6 weeks ago. I go back to work Monday, but there's some other things that they've discovered, so we'll see how that all goes. But anyway, I've been doing a little bit, been getting a little bit of bench time, working on the deserter kit or deserter kit, whatever it's called. I guess it's deserter. It's the 84 GMC. Back this thing up a little bit. That one right there. But I'm mixing it with the 67 Prostreet chassis. I had thought about just making, I was just going to do something simple and straightforward, but I'd actually seen a video from Insomnia Hobbies that kind of inspired me to give this a shot. So I liked how that turned out, and I thought I would try and do one myself. But anyway, yeah, this is where we're at so far. Got some primer on the body, and right now I'm working on the chassis. Gonna lower the ride height a little bit on it. Probably just gonna build the engine that was out of the 67 Prostreet Chevelle kit, and yeah, it's coming along slow but sure. This is my last week off. I'm not going to probably get terribly far on it, so who knows when it'll get done. Those of you that have followed my channel over the years, you guys all know that I'm not a real fast builder, so especially when I'm making changes, because I just keep double, triple, and quadruple checking everything, and then seems like when assembly time comes around, there's still stuff I miss. So the other thing that I wanted to show you guys was picked up a couple of kits. So the one on the right, the Pro Touring 64 Mercury Comet, actually ended up getting that one from Model Roundup. And then the 60 Chevy Apache pickup I got from Hobby Lobby. The other thing that I got, I saw a few videos on, let me get these out of the way. I got these AK real color markers, and these work pretty good. I've done a little bit with them on this dash, and I think that's turned out pretty well. I'm gonna do the interior in the buff color, which is this one right here. I'm not sure if I like it, but we'll see how it goes. I may end up using the Tamiya buff and spraying the interior tub with that. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at, and I'm watching videos, I'm following videos, I'm commenting here and there. I just haven't been doing a whole lot of doing my own videos and getting a lot of bench time, so I'll be around. Real quick, I did get these little labels for the toolbox, and they turned out pretty cool. Makes it nice to kind of know where everything's at instead of pulling out 3 or 4 drawers before you find what you're looking for. Yeah, that's where we're at, guys. Hope everybody's having a good week. If I get some progress this week, I'll do another video. And yeah, we'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.